In this video, you'll learn how to claim Binance Cashback rewards effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to access and utilize your rewards efficiently. First, navigate to the Binance mobile app and log into your account for easier access to the rewards pages. Once you're logged in, open your profile menu, which is typically located at the top left corner of the screen. Look for options labeled Rewards Hub, Cashback, or Promotions, as these labels may vary based on your region. It is essential to ensure that your account is verified, especially if the rewards program requires identity checks. If you cannot find the rewards section, consider updating the app to the latest version, as older versions may hide certain features. This initial step is crucial for locating your cashback information without unnecessary searches. Next, find the cashback item you are interested in claiming, open this item, and read the conditions carefully before proceeding. Some cashback rewards are credited automatically, while others require you to manually claim them within a specified time frame. Confirm the transaction or activity that generated the cashback to ensure it is valid. If there is a claim button, tap on it and confirm the action promptly. In cases where cashback requires activation, make sure to enable it before your next payment to avoid missing out on future rewards. This step is vital to ensure that you do not lose any cashback due to missed actions or expiry. After claiming your cashback, it is important to verify which wallet received the funds. Depending on the feature, the cashback may be credited to your funding wallet or spot wallet. Review your rewards history to confirm the amount, the date of the transaction, and its current status. It is advisable to take a screenshot or note the transaction ID for future reference, especially if you may need proof of the cashback. If the reward is provided as a voucher, check the terms regarding its usage and whether there is an expiration date. This verification process helps you keep track of your cashback and prevents any disputes. In addition, compare the received cashback with the program terms to ensure that the calculation aligns with what you expected. If you notice any discrepancies or if something appears incorrect, gather all relevant details and contact Binance support. This proactive approach will help address any issues regarding your cashback effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.